Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer. This vehicle is featured in deep blue metallic paint with black alloy rims. We also have paint match mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint, backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as all-wheel drive. Moving on to the interior of the Trailblazer, on our door panel we have our chrome door handle, as well as our lock and unlock buttons, window and mirror controls, our nice fabric inlay, and then below that we have our speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support. And left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls, our gauge cluster with middle screen, multifunction steering wheel, push start, infotainment screen with backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, radio controls, climate controls, heated seat option, as well as our charging outlets, storage underneath, and vehicle controls, selective all-wheel drive, gear selection stock, 2 cup holders, and we have our electric park brake and more storage, padded center console lid. The front seats are featured in black fabric with gray stitching, and again there are heated seats up front, and above the rear view mirror we have OnStar controls and reading lights. Moving back onto the exterior now, we can see our black and chrome alloy rims with Chevrolet bow tie center caps. We have paint matched mirror caps and door handles and rear privacy tint. Moving around to the back of the vehicle now, we can see our Trailblazer taillights, similar to the Blazer. Trailblazer LT badging, L in chrome, and then underneath we have our dual exhaust. Open our liftgate here, and we'll see inside we have plenty of storage room, as well as the controls to fold down the rear seats. Now onto the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, close handle, speaker and storage. Back of the front seats we have our magazine holders. Then back of the center console area we have some storage and charging outlets. Then our back seats are a 60-40 split. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.